What's up guys, DTF Transfers Now here. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to print a custom t-shirt with a gang sheet using Kiddo and Canva. Let's get to it. Alright, so first you're going to want to head to Kiddo and you're going to want to find a design or a template that suits you. And once you find that template, you can either edit the color or change the size depending on what you want to change about your product. And once you finish your design, you can change it to 300 DPI and change it to inches, and then also remove the background, and then you can just download it. Then you're going to want to head to Canvas, and you're going to want to change it to custom size and put it by 22 by 60 into inches. And now you can just drag your design onto Canva, just like that. Now you can just crop your design depending on what you want to change about it. You want to make sure that it's like closer together so there's not much space in between. And now you can just add other designs depending on what you like, what you want to add to it. And then once you finish there, you're gonna wanna go to share, download, change it to the size to 3, and change it to transparent background. Send your download to DTF Transfers Now. We ensure 24 to 48 hour delivery, cheap, fast, and reliable. Now it's time to actually put it on a shirt. Begin by cutting the design off to put it on your shirt. We are going to be using a heat press to help us. Now lay your logo down and make sure it fits perfectly on the shirt. Now press it down 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 seconds. Now take it off, peel off the film, and then now you're going to repress it again. Back to pressing it down for an extra stick, 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 seconds again. And now you have your desired shirt.